Just before I commence the other side, I've already done the other side on this truck, so I thought we'd have a look and see how much play is now in this axle. Now the other side is done, that's how much is in it, but listen to this. See, that's what it's like now. Double that and it would have been double the movement on there. So once we do this, we'll come back to this and we'll see how much play by changing all the CV has changed in this Land Rover. So I'm now got this side hub complete, and how far does the prop turn now? That's it. That's it. Before it was nearly a third of a turn. So that's taken all that lash out just simply by changing the flanges and the shaft on here. It was a big job, you know, a lot of parts required, but it'll be good for a long time now. So there you go, all I've got to do is the one on the back, and this should be a nice quiet ride now. I just wanted to show you that info. Alright, see you later, bye.